Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vocab Search. Kindly subscribe this channel for new vocab updates. Naive. It's an adjective. It means without enough experience of life and too ready to believe or trust other people. It could be used in a sentence like I was too naive to realize what was happening. Its synonyms are innocent, simple, unknowing, unsuspicious, unwary, and primitive. While that, your antonyms are cosmopolitan, experienced, knowing, sophisticated, worldly, and worldly wise. Oar. Oar is a noun. Its dictionary meaning is long pole that is flat and wide at one end and that is used for rowing boats. Its example is some of the ships were propelled by oars, others were under sail. Its synonyms are boat paddle, implement, blade, sweep, scull, vane. While that your antonyms are exempt, ride, defeat, stand, still, dirty. Pace. Pace is a noun, meaning a person's manner of walking or running or speed in walking, running or moving. Example, I steal with quiet pace, or he is an aggressive player with plenty of pace. Synonyms, walk, tread, stride, march, rhythm, speed, rate, swiftness, fastness. Antonyms, slowness, sluggishness, reluctance, lethargy, layerless. Quarantine. It's a noun. It means a state, period, or place of isolation in which people or animal that have arrived from elsewhere, been exposed to infectious or contagious disease are placed. Example, many animals die in quarantine. Synonyms are confine, immure, jail, lock up, restrain, restrict, cut off. Its antonyms are assimilate, associate, connect, join, link, unite, free, liberate, lose, release. Racism. It's a noun. It means prejudice, discrimination with a person on the basis of a particular race. For example, people should remember the level of racism in the workplace. Its synonyms are partiality, bias, discrimination, unfairness, segregation. Its antonyms are fairness, tolerance, anti-discrimination, anti-racism. Sabotage. It's a verb. It means deliberately destroy, damage, obstruct. For example, power lines from South Africa sabotaged by rebel forces. Its synonyms are destroy, obstruct, cripple, damage, threaten, ruin, destruction, while its antonyms are conservation, preservation, protection, salvage, saving. Tabloid. It's a noun. It means a newspaper having pages half the size of the average broadcast and dominated by sensational stories. Example, he later claimed to have been deliberately misquoted by the tabloid press. Its synonyms are paper, sheet, rag, scandal sheet, review, summary. Its antonyms are amplification, elaboration, enlargement, expansion. Underestimate. It's a verb. It means estimate something less important than it really is. Example, they have grossly underestimated the extent of the problem. Its synonyms are belittle, underrate, undervalue, depreciate, put down, slight. While that your antonyms are overestimate, overrate, overvalue, appreciate. Vague, not clearly expressed or defined. It's an adjective. For example, I had the vague impression that they were withholding information. Synonyms are fuzzy, indefinite, inexplicit, muzzy, unclear. Its antonyms are clear, definite, explicit, specific. Wade. It's a verb. It means walk with effort through water or another liquid or viscous substance. For example, he waded out to the boat. Its synonyms are paddle, dabble, slope, traverse. Its antonyms are break, ease, slacken, repose, unwind. X-ray. It means an electromagnetic wave of high energy and short wavelength. It is able to pass through many materials opaque to light. For example, the fracture was clearly visible on the X-ray. Its synonyms are radiogram, radiograph, mammogram, Xerox, off-print, photostat, while that your antonyms are original, distraction, decrease, subtraction. Yacht. It's a noun. Meaning is a medium-sized sailing boat equipped for racing. For example, a huge wave capsized the yacht. Synonyms are catboat, craft, vessel, watercraft, sailboat, cruiser, yawl. Its antonyms are guardship, harbor patrol. Zeal. It's a noun. It means great energy or enthusiasm in pursuit of a cause or an objective. For example, I am a bit tired of this zeal for local option in the most unexpected quarters. Its synonyms are spirit, initiate, keenness, push, sincerity, warmth, jest. Its antonyms are apathy, coolness, laziness, discouragement. Please like the video, comment your valuable feedback, share and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for your support.